Hey Lennar fans, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are doing a preview of the Marsala floor plan by Lennar. This is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Marsala is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath plus den home, right around 2,200 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful floor plan by Lennar. So as we come inside the entry here, directly to the left, you're going to have your first guest bedroom and guest bath. So you've got this guest bedroom right up here. Nice walk-in style closet here. And then directly across, you've got the guest bath with the single sink to the commode and the combination tub and shower here. Now coming back out of this guest bedroom towards the entryway, on the left-hand side here is going to be your den. So we got a nice sized den here. It is a true den. There is no closet in this room. And then directly across from the den, we've got your interior laundry room with the utility sink. You've got your garage entry there. And then you've got your second guest bedroom here. The nice part about this guest bedroom here is it's an ensuite. So you've got your private bath here, and again with the single sink and commode. This one, however, has just the standalone shower here as opposed to the tub combo. Now let's go take a look at the rest of the living space here. As soon as we get past the den and the guest bedrooms, you can see how the Marsala opens up really nicely here. So you've got the open kitchen design with a nice size island there, the corner pantry, and all of this overlooking your great room here, as well as your dedicated dining spot off to the side there. Now last but not least, on the interior here, we have the master suite. Really nice size master. That's a king size bed there for perspective. And there's still plenty of room for some additional seating here. And then we walk into the walk-in closet here and master bathroom. Really nice sized closets. And then you've got the master bathroom here with your soaking tub. Really nice sized shower here. And you've got your dual sinks and then your water closet right here in the corner. Now lastly on this home is the exterior living space. And you've got a nice size lanai under truss. So as we walk outside here, you can see all the space that you have under truss. So plenty of room here for a nice dining table and additional seating. And this home features Lennar's pool package here as well. All right, guys, so this is the Marsala floor plan. If you're interested in this home at any of Lennars Southwest Florida communities, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.